So the iPhone 15 Pro Max has just officially came out as well today. I did have to go pick up this one as well, which was very annoying. Essentially, I picked up the 15 Pro. I bought the 15 Pro Max, and that was not even coming until like October, so I figured I might as well pick up another one. And this is the 512 gigabyte model. They didn't have the base model, which is what I was going to buy, but this is, I think, the blue model of this particular iPhone, and I think it's going to look very good. I just unboxed the iPhone 15 Pro 2 seconds ago, and that was honestly one of the best looking iPhones ever. Now, on the backside, you do have these two flaps that you can basically unbox. So same thing as the other years, you basically peel off these specific paper things right up here, and then you'll get the iPhone right inside of our faces like in 2 seconds. Once you flip this thing back over, then you'll basically be able to unlock or open up the box just like this. Now, for some reason earlier today, I thought the iPhones always came up like face first, but I guess not. They always have the back cameras with the back glass because they have the cutout right here. Now, this particular iPhone 15 Pro Max is the same exact color I have with the 15 Pro. I probably should have got them in different colors. I didn't even think about it. Now, on the back, they do have a couple differences. I think the camera modules look slightly different, but there is like a curved side, not a curved side, but like the glass is a little bit curved on it, which is honestly very, very unique, and it looks very good on this type of iPhone. Now, on the front, you have that standard type of, screen that we have to go and peel off. They do have the new action button, which is very cool. I'm actually excited to kind of use it. I've already used it, spoiler alert. Now you have the volume button and the action button on this side, the power button on the right side. Powering this thing on, you have the Apple logo right there. It honestly does feel quite different coming from the 14 Pro. So it's very funny. This is not stainless steel anymore. I mean, it probably is. It's titanium now. So it looks very good. It looks very, very sharp as well. USB-C on the bottom, which is very cool to see. I'm very, very glad we have a USB-C port here. And power button right there. Now for the rest of this body, as you can see, we've already got the iPhone 15 Pro Max already kind of there. You do have these standards, booklet here. You have eSIM stuff. You have the Apple logo in the very back. And then you also have the braided cable. I'm very happy about the braided cable because this is a very nice looking cable versus the standard cabling that we already have. So I have the standard cable right here. And you can see there is a slight difference. There's the braided, there's the standard one. And definitely the standard one doesn't look as good as the braided one. I'm very, very excited to use this one on my personal iPhone 15 Pro. And that kind of covers up that. Now, definitely for the outside stuff, I definitely would probably argue that the 15 Pro, now I'm definitely going to argue that the 15 Pro is the one that I'm probably going to be using. But I'm also very, very excited to be using the 15 Pro Max as well. I mean, these are very big iPhones. You can set them up just by going like this and then going through and just pairing them up as you normally would, like so. It may take a few seconds. But I'm very, very excited to use both these iPhones. I think the blue color this year looks very nice, looks very sharp, and I'm excited to use it as well. So I guess we're going to have to wait and see what happens in the future. But that is a pretty quick unboxing of the 15 Pro Max and in the color blue. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.